Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install TeamViewer on Windows PC in a very simple way. For that, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option, simply search for TeamViewer. You can simply see, then click on Windows Download, click on Download TeamViewer, click on Download. And as you can see, your TeamViewer setup is rightly installed. You can now simply click on the folder icon. And here is your TeamViewer setup.exe. So if you click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize all of your background apps, click on run, click on accept and next and click yes for the permission. Minimize all of your background apps. Click on I accept this and click continue. And as you can see right now, TeamViewer is loading, and here is your TeamViewer is rightly showing over here. From here you can simply copy your ID and simply give the password. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install TeamViewer in your computer device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.